Hi, this is my unboxing of Nintendo Switch Lite. I bought this from Datablitz, and you can also buy this in Lazada or Shopee for around 12,000. But nabili ko to sa Datablitz for 11,995 with free game. In Lazada, I saw some reviews that sometimes the sellers are giving freebies like uh, case and thumbstick. For this unit, I only buy the stock unit with free one game. So this is Lego game. Nakasama ng Nintendo Switch unit. So this is not my first unboxing. Actually, nabuksan na to sa store nung binili ko. And this is my video for the unboxing. So open natin from the bottom ng box. And then ilahit lang natin yung sorry, medyo maikpit. Ayan. So ito na yung Switch. So by the way, Switch Lite is not dockable to TV, so hindi siya compatible for TV. So it's not actually Switch, but it's Switch Lite. So ito yung unit. So we have the thumbsticks and the D-pad and the other keys. So all working naman. So this is the actual unit. Speakers. And then in the box kasama ang saban niya is yung charger. Then yung instruction manual. So this is the charger. USB Type-C charger. Basically, ilang watts siya? 2.6 amperes. So that's it. And instruction manuals. So lipat lang natin. And then we have the free game, the Lego. So basically, na-try ko na siyang gamitin for one game, which is Switch 3. Witcher 3. Ay, sorry. And then, okay naman siya. So, performance okay. Pero yung graphics quality niya is mas mababa since ang screen nito is 720p lang. So, dito nilalagay ang game and then headset. At first, gagawa muna kayo ng account bago nyo magamit itong Nintendo. So, there are free games if walang kasamang game ang inyong unit, and you can download sa Nintendo eShops. So, natin. Maganda naman ang screen niya. 720p. And then yung wifi niya, nadidetect niya yung wifi namin sa bahay kahit medyo mahina ng signal dito sa kwarto. Natin. Cancel mo natin ang download. So, did mag-download. So, hanggang dito na lang muna. Then, mag-upload ulit ako ng video for gameplay. Thank you.